Best remedy for cataracts you need to know. When it comes to cataract awareness, did you know that certain foods and lifestyle choices can play a significant role in fighting against cataracts and other eye disorders causing blurry vision? Let's find out, as they can be helpful habits for maintaining a healthy vision that you can start today. Vitamin C Powerhouse. When it comes to combating cataracts, vitamin C can be your ally. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are bursting with powerful antioxidants. Vitamin C helps protect the lens of your eye from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. So make sure to include a variety of citrus fruits in your diet to give your eyes a natural boost. Carotenoids for optimal eye function. Carotenoids are pigments found in colorful fruits and vegetables that provide numerous health benefits, including maintaining healthy eyes. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers are rich in beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A that is crucial for good vision. These carotenoids protect the eye cells from damage and can help prevent the development of cataracts. So add some vibrant colors to your meals for improved eye function. Omega-3 fatty acids for eye health. Including omega-3 fatty acids in your diet is a smart move for your overall health, including your eyes. Wild-caught fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of these beneficial fats. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the eyes, promoting optimal eye health. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also opt for plant-based sources such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Nutrient-dense eggs. Eggs are incredibly rich in essential nutrients and a great addition to your diet when it comes to maintaining good eye health. They are rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, and vitamin E, all of which play a crucial role in protecting the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Including eggs in your meals can provide a substantial boost to your eye health and help prevent cataracts. Colorful berries for eye protection. Berries are not just delicious, they're also packed with antioxidants that can help protect your eyes from cataracts. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve vision and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. Snack on these vibrant berries to satisfy your sweet tooth while giving your eyes some extra love. Nuts and seeds for eye nourishment. Nuts and seeds are small powerhouses of nutrition that can benefit your eyes in numerous ways. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and Brazil nuts are particularly beneficial for maintaining optimal eye health. These nutrient-dense snacks provide a rich source of vitamin E, which helps protect the cells in your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, they contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that support overall eye nourishment and may help ward off cataracts. So grab a handful of your favorite nuts and seeds for a tasty and eye-healthy snack. Leafy greens for clear vision. Leafy greens are not only great for overall health, but also for maintaining clear vision. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with essential nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as natural fillers against harmful UV rays. These nutrients help shield your eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cataracts. So don't forget to add a generous portion of leafy greens to your plate. Antioxidant-packed green tea. If you're looking for a refreshing beverage that also supports your eye health, green tea is a fantastic choice. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea may lower the risk of cataracts. When you're feeling thirsty, sip on a cup of green tea daily to hydrate your body and nourish your eyes. Garlic's protective power. Apart from being a flavor powerhouse in your culinary creations, garlic also offers protective benefits for your eyes. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have been linked to reducing the risk of cataracts. Including garlic in your meals not only adds a delightful aroma and taste, but also contributes to the overall health of your eyes. Turmeric's Golden Touch. Known for its vibrant golden color and distinctive flavor, turmeric is a spice that offers more than just culinary appeal. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that curcumin may help prevent the formation and progression of cataracts by combating oxidative stress. Incorporate turmeric into your cooking or enjoy a soothing cup of turmeric tea to harness its beneficial effects. Red wine in moderation. If you enjoy an occasional glass of red wine, you'll be pleased to know that it may have some eye protective benefits. Red wine contains resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, including the eyes. However, moderation is key. Excessive alcohol consumption can have adverse effects on your health, including your eyesight, so savor a glass of red wine occasionally as part of a balanced lifestyle. Stay hydrated with water. While we often focus on specific foods and nutrients, it's important not to overlook the simplest and most essential element of good health: water. Staying properly hydrated is vital for maintaining the overall health of your eyes. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes and an increased risk of cataracts. Make it a habit to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your eyes and body well hydrated. Quit smoking for clear vision. If you need another reason to quit smoking, here it is. Smoking is detrimental to your eye health and increases the risk of developing cataracts. The harmful chemicals in tobacco smoke can damage the cells in your eyes, leading to oxidative stress and vision problems. By quitting smoking, you not only improve your overall health, but also significantly reduce the risk of cataracts and other eye-related conditions. Protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Prevention is key when it comes to maintaining good eye health and preventing cataracts. Shielding your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays is crucial. Wear sunglasses with UV protection whenever you're outdoors, even on cloudy days, to reduce your eyes' exposure to harmful radiation. Consider wearing a wide-brimmed hat for added protection. These simple steps can go a long way in preserving the clarity of your vision. Regular eye checkups. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of regular eye checkups. Even if you have no apparent vision problems, routine eye exams can detect early signs of cataracts or other eye conditions such as glaucoma. Your eye care professional can help provide personalized guidance and recommend the best course of action to keep your eyes healthy. Remember, early detection and intervention can make a significant difference in preserving your vision. While incorporating these remedies into your lifestyle can support optimal health and the fight against cataracts and other eye disorders or diseases, it's always best to first consult with a healthcare professional or ophthalmologist for personalized advice based on your individual needs. If you've learned a thing or two about the best remedy for cataracts, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on other videos.